The difference in storage between the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Plus is in the following aspects. Storage options. The iPhone 16 Plus is available in 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB storage options. These options are suitable for most users who do not work with large files. The iPhone 16 Pro offers a wider range of 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and up to 1TB. This makes it an ideal choice for those who often work with large files, such as high-resolution videos. RAM. The iPhone 16 Pro also has increased RAM compared to the iPhone 16 Plus, which improves multitasking and the overall performance of the device. These differences make the iPhone 16 Pro more suitable for users who need more storage capacity and better performance when working with heavy apps. The difference in battery life between the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Plus is in the battery capacity and battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro has a 3,355 mAh battery and provides up to 23 hours of video playback. In tests, its battery life is about 14 hours when surfing the web. The iPhone 16 Plus has a larger 4,006 mAh battery, which allows it to work up to 27 hours when playing video. In tests, its battery life reaches about 18 hours when surfing the web. The iPhone 16 Plus offers longer battery life thanks to its larger battery, but the iPhone 16 Pro provides good performance with a smaller battery capacity.